Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to enable the sleep mode printhead cleaning feature in the Idea Studio, allowing the printer to perform automatically maintenance and helping prevent printhead clogging. On your computer, open Idea Studio. Go to the device settings and click Maintenance. Turn on the sleep mode printhead cleaning function. The sleep mode controller settings will only work after this switch is enabled. Otherwise, the printhead auto clean will not run, even if the controller is set. This feature is ideal for use during non-working hours, such as at night or on weekends. It helps automatically maintain the printer and prevents the printhead from clogging when the printer is idle. When the power button light turns off, the machine enters sleep mode. At this point, the two control panels on the side will light up. In this state, without connecting to a computer, the machine will automatically run the following two functions: white ink circulation, printhead cleaning. Now you know how to enable the sleep mode printhead cleaning feature. Using it properly can help reduce the risk of printhead clogging. Thank you so much for watching.